Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something truly spectacular to share with you. Feast your eyes on this execute pure Georgette Jaipuri Die Rose Zari Viving Saree, available at unbelievable price, just 1300 rupees. Let's jump right into the unboxing, opening the package, and the saree unfold with elegance. The pure Georgette fabric is soft to touch, draped beautifully. The enhancing rose design adorned with intricate zari work add a touch of luxury to this masterpiece. As we examine the saree close up, and the quality is clarity, inkable, and vibrant color and meticulous craftsmanship are truly inspiring, and each stitch symbolized the efforts and artistry that goes into creating this work of art. And here's the best part: the price is just 1300 rupees. This saree is an absolutely still. You won't find such a stunning piece at such a pocket friendly price anywhere else. It's a wardrobe essential that's guaranteed to turn head and make a lasting impression, and perfect for wedding, festive occasion, or even casual outfits. And this saree is sure to make you feel like royalty. It's an embodiment and elegance and traditions, and encapsulating the rich heritage of Jaipur. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your saree collection with this memorizing pure Georgette Jaipur Die Rose Zari Viving saree today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a truly remarkable piece of art. Thank you for joining us for this unboxing and review. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Stay updated with the latest fashion trend and stay stylish, guys. Will see you in the next video. If you want to purchase this saree, then also link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.